Lipton! Yeah! Are you ready? Me ready. Make sure so you have on something nice. You know what? Make me go there and see what you want with. Take it right off. Eh? One thing. You want the suit of clothes everywhere you go. I tell you now. You know buy your clothes. Me don't buy your clothes on Ipton. Eh? Look on the shirt where this boy clothes we put on. The shirt does wash out. When time me and you are go out, you don't embarrass me. When you alone are go out, you say embarrass yourself. Eh? Look on him. Because me know say me buy your clothes. You know short clothes and you now wear them. Look on the boy. Look how he dress. Me say the boy does just copper color. And the rat, me see, I design for your clothes them, for you wear. Because you know how wear them. Alright. By the time me be take care. Me buy your clothes, wear your damn clothes them.